The difference between an entrepreneur and a wantrepreneur is simply taking action. If you want to start a business, but you're overwhelmed because you don't know where to start, I've put together 7 simple steps that can help you start your business today. Hi, I'm Juan, founder and growth specialist at Metric Labs. Connect with me at Juan_IO on Twitter and Instagram. Let's dive right in. The first step is to write a business plan. You're likely thinking about starting a business because you have a passion, have some skill you want to monetize, or you have seen a gap in the market that you hope to fill. According to the publication Small Business Trends, having a business plan increases your chance of success by 50%. Writing a business plan helps you lay out your ideas in hard facts and numbers, which can help you get laser focused about what you're setting out to achieve. A plan is also effective in helping you communicate concepts to potential partners and investors in pretty clear terms. The thought of writing a business plan might sound a little scary, but you don't have to write anything complicated. A simple one-pager can be really powerful. I'll leave a link in the description on how to write one. The next step is to validate your idea. Idea validation is important because it helps you close the gaps between your assumptions and the customer's needs. And as a result, you save time, money, energy, and other resources by only focusing on the features or aspects of your idea that excite your customers the most. Lean Startup Machine, for example, was a great boot camp about idea validation. They put you in a team with a few other people and you transform your idea into a minimum viable product in just 3 days. The boot camp was great because it helped participants to constantly focus on interacting with their potential customers and making changes based on their feedback. I participated in the program in 2014 and it completely transformed how I think about businesses. I think it's great for you as a new business owner to adopt this process by testing out your service or product within your network, collecting feedback, and then improving on your offerings. Even after launching your business, make feedback and improvement an integral part of your entrepreneurial journey. Your next course of action should be to set up a website. Having a website is crucial because it helps you build credibility, showcase your brand, and can even be a sales channel if you're looking to sell your products or services online. Ideally, you should get a developer to help you with your website because they will optimize your website around your business outcomes, and this will include powerful tools and analytics that will make your website successful. If you're on a budget, however, you can use foolproof site builders like Weebly or Wix, or even hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork to set it up. Another key step is setting up your business structure. Deciding which form of business entity or ownership structure to establish, including sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company or LLC, corporation, or S corporation known as S Corp, is pertinent when starting a business. The decision would have an impact on how much you pay in taxes, the amount of paperwork your business is required to do, the personal liability you face, and your ability to raise money. The most popular structure is the LLC because it's a hybrid entity bringing together some of the best features of partnerships on the one end and corporations on the other. It also offers asset protection and flexible tax management. Please do not take any of what I just said as legal or tax advice because I'm not qualified to give you either. This is just based upon my own research and opinion. Capiche? Great. Open a bank account. It is usually recommended to open a business bank account as it alleviates the problems caused by mixing your business and personal finances. Opening a business account can help you separate business and personal expenses, allowing you to effectively track your business cash flow, which is important for growth and tax implications. I personally used Bluevine because it was easy to open, completely online, so I don't have to get in any queues. And they also offer 0 fees. I didn't receive any incentive from Bluevine, but honestly, they should be paying me for this plug. But I'm just doing it because I really enjoy their service. Also, you need to have a marketing plan. Your business may offer the best products or services out there, but none of your potential customers would even know about it without marketing. Good marketing helps customers understand the value of your product, helps you reach your target audience, grow your customer base, and ultimately boost your bottom line. There are many great tools for business marketing, including social media, Google My Business, email marketing, etc. Also, non-digital tools like text messaging and direct mail are also effective. Check out the little thing on top to watch my video about direct mail. And last but not least, create a sales process. A sales process is simply a template for achieving your sales objectives and replicating a desired level of sales performance. It lays out a repeatable cycle of steps to turn an early stage lead into a customer. Each step in a sales process may consist of several separate selling activities. According to Harvard Business Review, companies with a sales process generate more revenue. This is partly because it acts as a roadmap or a guide to help you make sure you don't miss any crucial step in handling a customer, and partly because it helps everyone understand quickly and easily how likely it is that you're eventually going to make a sale from a prospect. That marks the end of this video. If you got value in this video, like it and hit the subscribe button. You can also share with your friends who might find this useful. If you need to build a new website, help with your marketing strategy, or you want to power your business with data, reach out to us at www.metriclabs.com. How many W's did I say? Anyway, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.